Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetstuff.com, and today we are going to highlight some of the key features on a smartphone which is something very different from any other smartphone out there in the market. Even if you compare this smartphone with any other high-end smartphone, this is very different because it has an extra feature which is the Edge feature. So we have the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge with us, which has an edge which is going to be an extra thing as compared to any other smartphone out there, because it gives you this edge display which is not found right now on any other high-end flagship phone from any brand. In this video we are going to tell you the top 10 features of the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge which give this phone an extra edge over any other smartphone out there because of its edge display which we have on this side. First important feature of the edge display on the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge is that it acts like a vertical shortcut bar where you can actually place different kind of application. You can launch these applications by just swiping them from here, and you just need to tap on any application, it will open up on this home screen itself. Second useful feature of the edge display is going to be that the edge display adapts to the application in terms of the overall design. So in case you launch the camera application shortcuts will be available on the top on this edge display, so you can take the photos pretty easily without even touching the display part of the phone, which is very good. Apart from this, third useful feature of the edge display panel is that it provides you all the notification access without even you require to actually touch the phone. Even when the device is sitting idle on a flat surface, you will get to see all the notifications which are coming onto the phone on the edge display part, which makes this phone pretty good in terms of functionality, and it does provide you all these notifications without you need to actually touch the phone. The fourth useful feature of the edge display panel is that it provides you a clock. You can get a night clock, you can get date and time indication, you can also use it as a daytime clock as well. The moment you place this device on a flat surface, you can see the time from the edge display without actually touching the phone, which makes it a very good use case scenario in day-to-day usage. Fifth useful feature of Samsung Galaxy Note Edge display is that you have a lot of utilities which you can use in day-to-day usage on this edge display, and which does make this phone kind of different from any other smartphone out there. You can use the edge display to turn on the voice recording feature. You don't need to open voice recording application for that. You can actually enable and disable flashlight directly from here, so you can use it as a toggle for flashlight. You can activate the timer in case you want to use timer on the smartphone, and in case you would like to use it as a ruler, you can also turn on the scale on this device and you can change the dimensions in centimeter and inch, and you can measure any surface or any object which is kind of approximately 15 centimeter in terms of the length with this smartphone, which is again a very useful feature, and this feature is not yet available on any other smartphone, because the edge display which this device has does give these kind of features to this phone. Sixth useful feature of this edge panel on the Note Edge is that you have different kind of display panels on this device, which allows you to have different kind of shortcut for application, and in case you would like to have more application within the same area, you can also have folders in which you will have more application you can launch. You also have weather updates coming on this edge display panel. You also have news coming which are going to be displayed on the edge display panel. In case you are doing some workout, the number of steps and the kilometer you have traveled will also be displayed on the edge display panel. You can select in between different panels which are already available on this smartphone. You can also have Yahoo News as well in case you would like to track over the news on the edge display panel. So a lot of things, a lot of information can be displayed on the edge display panel, which does make it very important and useful as compared to any other smartphone out there in the market. Seventh useful feature of the edge display panel on the Note Edge is that you can customize the look and feel of the edge panel, so that you can change the overall look and feel of the wallpaper which you have on the home screen. So you can have different wallpaper for the edge panel, and you can have a different wallpaper for the main home screen, and this is how you can actually customize this phone very differently as compared to any other phone out there in the market. Eighth useful feature which you have on the edge panel is that you can customize what you want to see over here on the edge panel, apart from the notification and other things. So in case if the device is in the sleeping mode, you will see a text which is being displayed over here, which will say Galaxy Note Edge by default. You can change the text, you can actually have your name, you can have a message being written over there, so that you can actually have more information and more personalization through the edge display panel, which is possible on this phone. Ninth useful feature because of this edge panel which you will get on this device is that you can do a different level of multitasking and a different level of productivity can be achieved on this phone, because you can do different things on the edge display panel and you can do a completely different thing on the main home screen. This is how you can actually make the use of these two home screens pretty effectively, which is also possible on this phone, and again this scenario is not possible on any other smartphone out there in the market. The last reason, which is also going to be one of the most important reason for this smartphone, and this is going to be the 10th reason because of which you should select the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, because of its edge display, because this edge display is something extra which you are getting. Even if you compare it with the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, the specification of Note Edge and the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 are same, but extra thing which you are getting on this smartphone is going to be the edge display, which is not found on any other smartphone, and it does make this device pretty special in day-to-day usage. The kind of functionality you can have on this device because of the edge display is going to be commendable as compared to any other device. It is going to be superior as compared to any other device in the market. So you can take your decision based on these key features. So these are the top 10 reasons or the top 10 features on the basis of which we would like to suggest you the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. In case you are considering a premium smartphone, this premium smartphone is going to give you an extra edge. It's going to give you a value for money device, especially in case you want to spend a pretty good amount on a smartphone and you want a premium smartphone which should not look like any other smartphone out there in the market. You should go for the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge in case you want something extra with the edge display which this device actually provides. So that's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.